Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the constant noise and distractions of everyday life? Do you find yourself longing for a moment of peace and quiet to reconnect with your inner self? In a world that glorifies busyness and constant connectivity, solitude has become a rare and often undervalued commodity. However, what if I told you that embracing solitude could be the key to unlocking profound spiritual growth and self-discovery? Solitude is a powerful tool that allows us to step back from the chaos of the external world and turn our attention inward. It provides a sacred space where we can disconnect from the noise and distractions that often cloud our minds and hearts. In the stillness of solitude, we have the opportunity to confront our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs without the influence or interruption of others. It is a time for deep introspection, self-reflection, and honest self-assessment. Many people view solitude as a lonely or isolating experience, but it is important to distinguish solitude from loneliness. Loneliness is a negative state characterized by feelings of emptiness, disconnection, and a yearning for companionship. It arises when we feel separated from others and lack meaningful connections. Solitude, on the other hand, is a conscious choice to be alone with ourselves. It is not about avoiding people or relationships, but rather about creating a dedicated space for personal growth and self-discovery. Engaging in solitude can have profound benefits for our spiritual well-being. When we take the time to be alone with ourselves, we open the door to a deeper connection with our inner selves and the divine presence that resides within us. Solitude allows us to quiet the external noise and listen to the whispers of our soul. It is in these moments of stillness that we can gain clarity and insight into our life's purpose and the direction we are meant to take. Solitude also provides an opportunity to cultivate inner peace and resilience. When we spend time alone, we learn to sit with our thoughts and emotions without the need for external validation or distraction. We develop a greater sense of self-awareness and emotional regulation. By facing our inner world head-on, we build the strength and resilience needed to navigate life's challenges with grace and wisdom. Furthermore, solitude can be a catalyst for spiritual growth and transformation. It allows us to shed the layers of conditioning and societal expectations that often obscure our true selves. In the quiet moments of solitude, we can connect with our authentic nature and align ourselves with our highest purpose. We can explore the depths of our spirituality without the interference of external influences or opinions. Despite the numerous benefits of solitude, many people struggle with the idea of being alone. The thought of spending time in solitude can trigger feelings of discomfort, anxiety, or even fear. We may associate being alone with feelings of emptiness, boredom, or abandonment. These fears often stem from our conditioning and the belief that we need constant stimulation or companionship to feel whole. However, it is important to recognize that the fear of being alone is often rooted in our own insecurities and limiting beliefs. We may fear confronting the parts of ourselves that we have been avoiding or the emotions that we have been suppressing. Solitude can be uncomfortable because it forces us to face the truth of who we are and the areas of our lives that need attention and healing. To overcome the fear of being alone, we must first acknowledge and validate our feelings. It is okay to feel uncomfortable or anxious about spending time in solitude. However, we must also recognize that growth and transformation often lie on the other side of discomfort. By gently pushing ourselves out of our comfort zone and embracing solitude, we open ourselves up to new possibilities and personal breakthroughs. Start small by dedicating short periods to solitude, even if it's just a few minutes each day. Gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with being alone. Remember that solitude is not about isolating yourself from the world, but rather about creating a sacred space for self-discovery and spiritual growth. To fully harness the power of solitude, it is important to create a dedicated space where you can retreat and turn inward. This sacred space can be a physical location, such as a room in your home, a corner of your garden, or a quiet spot in nature. It can also be a metaphorical space within yourself, place of inner stillness and peace that you can access whenever you need it. When creating your sacred space for solitude, consider the elements that will support your spiritual practice and promote a sense of peace and tranquility. Minimize distractions by removing clutter and unnecessary items. Choose a space that is free from noise and interruptions, where you can be alone with your thoughts and feelings. You may also want to add elements that inspire and uplift you, such as candles, plants, or meaningful objects that hold spiritual significance. These items can serve as visual reminders of your intention to connect with your inner self and the divine. Remember, your sacred space for solitude is a personal sanctuary where you can retreat from the demands of the world and focus on your spiritual growth. It is a place where you can be fully present with yourself and the divine, without the need for external validation or approval. Once you have created your sacred space for solitude, it's time to engage in practices that nurture your spiritual growth. Solitude provides the perfect opportunity to explore and deepen your spiritual practices without the distractions or expectations of others. One powerful practice to engage in during solitude is meditation. Meditation allows you to quiet your mind and connect with the present moment. It helps you cultivate inner peace, clarity, and self-awareness. During your solitude, set aside time each day to sit in stillness and focus on your breath. Allow your thoughts to come and go without judgment, and simply observe them with curiosity and compassion. Another practice that can be deeply transformative during solitude is journaling. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences can be a powerful tool for self-reflection and self-discovery. Use your journal as a space to explore your inner world, process your emotions, and gain insight into your spiritual journey. Ask yourself deep questions and allow the answers to flow onto the page without censorship or self-judgment. Prayer and contemplation are also valuable practices to engage in during solitude. Connect with the divine presence within you and express your gratitude, fears, and aspirations. Allow yourself to be open and receptive to the guidance and wisdom that may arise during these moments of deep connection. In addition to these practices, consider incorporating mindful movement into your solitude. Engage in gentle yoga, tai chi, or mindful walking in nature. These practices can help you connect with your body, release tension, and cultivate a sense of presence and groundedness. Remember, the key to engaging in solitary practices is to allow yourself to fully immerse in the experience without the pressure of time or expectations. Give yourself permission to explore, experiment, and find what resonates with your unique spiritual path. While dedicating extended periods to solitude is valuable, it's also important to find ways to integrate solitude into your daily life. By creating pockets of solitude throughout your day, you can maintain a sense of inner peace and connection, even amidst the busyness of life. One simple way to incorporate solitude into your daily routine is to start your day with a few minutes of quiet reflection. Before diving into the demands of the day, take a moment to sit in stillness, set your intentions, and connect with your inner self. This morning ritual can help you approach the day with greater clarity, purpose, and alignment. Another way to create pockets of solitude is to disconnect from technology and social media regularly. Set aside designated times each day where you turn off your devices and focus on being present with yourself and your surroundings. Use this time to engage in activities that nourish your soul, such as reading, writing, or simply sitting in nature. You can also find solitude in the small moments throughout your day, such as taking a mindful walk during your lunch break, enjoying a cup of tea in silence, or practicing deep breathing exercises when you feel overwhelmed. These moments of solitude, no matter how brief, can help you recharge your spiritual batteries and maintain a sense of inner peace. As we explore the power of solitude in our spiritual journey, it's important to recognize the role it plays in developing compassion, both for ourselves and others. When we spend time alone with ourselves, we have the opportunity to confront our own thoughts, emotions, and experiences without judgment or distraction. Solitude allows us to develop a deeper understanding and acceptance of ourselves, including our strengths, weaknesses, and the parts of ourselves that we may have been avoiding or suppressing. By facing our inner world with honesty and compassion, we learn to extend that same compassion to others. When we become comfortable with our own company and learn to love and accept ourselves fully, we naturally develop a greater capacity for empathy and understanding towards others. We recognize that everyone is on their own unique journey, facing their own challenges and struggles. Solitude helps us cultivate a sense of shared humanity and interconnectedness. Furthermore, solitude can be a powerful tool for healing and forgiveness. When we take the time to process our own pain and wounds in the quiet space of solitude, we release the need to project that pain onto others. We learn to take responsibility for our own emotions and experiences, rather than blaming or resenting others for our suffering. As we develop self-compassion and inner peace through solitude, we become more equipped to show up in the world with kindness, understanding, and an open heart. We recognize that everyone is deserving of love and compassion, regardless of their actions or beliefs. Solitude helps us cultivate a deeper sense of unity and connection with all beings. The power of solitude in our spiritual journey cannot be overstated. By embracing the stillness and quietude of being alone with ourselves, we open the door to profound growth, self-discovery, and transformation. Solitude provides a sacred space where we can disconnect from the noise of the world and reconnect with our inner selves and the divine presence within us. Through solitude, we cultivate inner peace, resilience, and self-awareness. We gain clarity and insight into our life's purpose and the direction we are meant to take. Solitude allows us to shed the layers of conditioning and societal expectations that often obscure our true selves and align ourselves with our highest purpose. By creating a dedicated space for solitude and engaging in practices such as meditation, journaling, prayer, and mindful movement, we nurture our spiritual growth and deepen our connection with the divine. Integrating solitude into our daily lives, even in small pockets of time, helps us maintain a sense of inner peace and alignment amidst the busyness of life. Furthermore, solitude plays a vital role in developing compassion, both for ourselves and others. By facing our own inner world with honesty and acceptance, we extend that same compassion and understanding to those around us. Solitude helps us cultivate a deeper sense of shared humanity and interconnectedness. So, dear viewer, I invite you to embrace the power of solitude in your own spiritual journey. Carve out time each day to be alone with yourself, to turn inward and listen to the whispers of your soul. Trust that in the stillness of solitude, you will find the answers and guidance you seek. Remember, solitude is not about isolation, but about finding a deeper connection within yourself and with the divine. Start exploring the transformative power of solitude today and witness the profound impact it can have on your spiritual growth and overall well-being. Embrace the sacred space of being alone with yourself and allow it to guide you on a journey of self-discovery, healing, and alignment with your highest truth.